Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today is a photo shoot day. I'm very excited. So today Karis and myself, he wanted to do a photo shoot today with his best friend and then one of my best friends, Shakira. The vibes are kind of just like a earthy, ethereal. I keep saying ethereal, but like that's the main thing. As you guys already seen the studio where we're going to be shooting some of the photos. It's going to be like a couple type photo shoot, so it's going to be cute, really nice vibes. I'm very excited because I get to tap into my styling skills. Pretty much I'm just like the stylist and also just helping him, making sure everything looks good, making sure that they're posing properly, all of that stuff. And it's nice to tap into your creative side, so I'm very excited for this. Shakira and I are already here. Our friend Ray's coming because she's gonna help us to shoot some behind the scenes content on like a camcorder. And then Karis is on his way with his friend. So it's good vibes only. I'll talk to you when everyone's here and when we set up and whatever. Sherika N here. She doesn't know we're recording. When you see this, edit in the video. Okay guys, photo shoot S+A, take one. Peanut punch guys from Grace, get it, it's delish. And it also comes with a lot of benefits and remedies, I think.
How you feeling? There's a lot of pressure right now. This camera's very in my face right now.
Hey, you used to cameras in your face, boy. Camcorders all summer.
Pretty calm though, honestly. I think shit should be fire. Munching on some ruffles right now.
I'm feeling good. I'm excited.
First time modeling? Been modeling before?
No.
Never modeled?
Except for like, hey, I model every day, but.
My fault. Hi guys, it's me, Karis. I'm gonna be taking the photos. Today. This is my best friend. Longest time knowing each other since Sandwich days. Those are her best friends. But
oh wait, no.
back to us now.
Oh, sorry.
So, we really bros for life. Like we for lifers, you know. Like this is my best man. I'm my wedding type shit. Like yeah,
wow,
you know, like
best man.
So
This is my nigga A1 since day one.
Day one.
So cute.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I'm so
You
excited.
gonna be at the wedding? How do you feel?
He's the cool guy.
He's cool guy. What's the word? The word is, it's fun. I really like it. He's so funny.
I would say, how's it modeling?
It's fun. I feel like I'm in my alley.
Your elements?
In my alley.
And how do you feel?
Alright, next shot we're gonna
First time modeling?
Huh?
First time modeling?
Feeling pretty good. Like honestly, I think this shit's going pretty far. Excited to see what the hell Karis does with us. Afterwards.
Okay. And Sherika, creative director. How have you been feeling about the shot so far?
I'm very excited. It's looking really good. They're selling what we want, so that's really good.
Exactly. Give him back love. smiley, don't you? Like,
Hey guys. So I have nothing to say. Bye bye now.
anyways, this is the new location. We're gonna do some pictures in like the hammock chair. Come. Okay guys, so finally, so thank you everybody for watching tonight. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, so photo shoot's done. We're gonna pack up and start to leave because the studio closes at 10 and I think it's 10 o'clock now. I'll talk to you soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Okay, like.
Alright guys. That's a wrap. How do I zoom out on this again? I got you, that's a... Alright guys, that's a wrap on the shoot. We finished. Shot by me. Directed, creative director at Sherika N. Behind the scenes at Orion. Models at Shakira something and at Amari.Elijah. Yeah. Yeah, W shoot, tight shit.